left. I had one of those when I was your age.
Papa had one. Riley.
Can I open them?
Okay, not all those over there. These are all yours right here.
Yeah, mine over this.
Yep, they're from Santa. Go ahead, start opening. Where's Olaf? Didn't even see this thing. I need to blow up a little more. Hand it to Pop-Pop. He'll open it for you.
What's that?
Oh.
What is that?
What does it say?
What is that?
It's a bouncy ball. We gotta blow it up a little more. Oh, Connie says Merry Christmas.
Is it? Well, I'm going to say Merry Christmas to Connie, too.
Connie.
Cat was out all night, huh?
What is in here?
I don't know. You have to open it.
Monster truck. Oh my goodness.
Who's on there?